Traditional projectors often require a fair amount of maintenance, from replacing dead bulbs to allowing for extended periods spent warming up and cooling down for proper performance. But with light sources that last many thousands of hours and run at much lower temperatures than traditional, laser smart projectors provide a smart and effective entertainment choice. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see the mentioned products and links where you can buy them. You can enjoy bright images and high dynamic contrast in your home theater with the Optoma HZ39HDR 4000 lumen Full HD laser DLP projector. Its native Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution displays images clearly at most viewing distances, while its dynamic contrast ratio helps enhance detail in dark images. This projector features VGA and 2 HDMI inputs, one of which is MHL compatible for wired streaming from your compatible smart device. They all enable quick and easy video and image sharing. An onboard speaker mitigates the need for an external speaker system, but you can connect one with the 1/8 inch output. It uses an IR remote with a built-in laser pointer, which is included, so you can direct your audience's attention where you want. Besides this, the 1.21 to 1.59 to 1 throw ratio allows you to place your projector just at moderate distances from the screen for large images in medium-sized rooms. Or you can achieve a full home theater experience with the Epson EP100 LS500B 4K UHD. This system comes with a laser light source that outputs up to 4,000 lumens of color and white brightness for use under various lighting conditions. It supports the HDR10 and HLG HDR formats for vibrant colors with the compatible source content. This projector has stereo speakers built in that output up to 10 total watts. A 100-inch wall mount projector screen designed to reject ambient and ceiling light is included to further augment image clarity in rooms with high ambient light. Its real-time 12-bit analog to digital video processing helps to provide smooth tonal transitions to eliminate banding, blocking, and other compression artifacts. Plus, it has an included HDMI adapter house for an Android TV operating system for smart TV functionality. Moving down the list, we have the Samsung Premier LS500-100 projector. It offers cutting-edge laser technology and 4K resolution, which delivers cinema-like picture and contrast with 2200 lumens. You can go beyond smart TV with the next-gen apps, super easy controls, and a host of enhancements that elevate the projector watching experience. This compact projector can turn any room into a home theater. The ultra-short throw technology allows you to place the product just within inches of any wall. You can elevate your home theater experience with a 2.2 channel sound system, so the powerful subwoofer and 30-watt speakers will deliver room-filling sound. Additionally, the built-in Alexa and Google Assistant and Bixby voice assistants allow you to control your projector with your voice, get information, and just do so much more. But now, I would like you to meet the all-new VAVA VA-LT002 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser DLP projector. Its ultra short throw design lets you place it as close as 7.2 inches from your wall or screen and project images up to 100 inches large. The built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity and the onboard Android operating system let you download your favorite streaming apps from the Aptoide store. XPR 4K UHD technology projects a 4K image onto your wall or screen for enhanced clarity with the compatible content, while HDR10 compatibility provides a wider color gamut for the HDR10 content. The onboard Harman Kardon speaker outputs up to 60 watts to mitigate the need for an external sound system. Plus, the included remote control communicates with the projector via Bluetooth, so line of sight isn't required. You can also enjoy bright images and high dynamic contrast in your home theater with the Optoma GT1090HDR Full HD Short Throw Laser DLP projector. It features VGA and 2 HDMI inputs, one of which is MHL compatible for wired streaming from your compatible smart device. It enables quick and easy video and image sharing. An onboard speaker mitigates the need for an external speaker system, but you can connect one with the 1/8 inch output. Plus, it has an IR remote with a built-in laser pointer, so you can direct your audience's attention wherever you want. Finally, the projector can power on when it receives a signal via HDMI, which ensures that it's turned on at the same time as the source device. Last but not least, we have the Optoma Cinemax P2 3000 lumen 4K UHD ultra short throw DLP home theater projector. Its 3000 lumens of brightness will overcome ambient light in many home installations, while its dynamic contrast ratio will help ensure that detail is clear. 4K UHD on-screen resolution is certainly achievable, and the projector also supports the HDR10 and HLG HDR formats. It has 3 HDMI inputs for connecting your favorite home AV gear, and 2 USB ports that support multimedia playback. A 40-watt stereo soundbar is built in to eliminate the need for a separate speaker system. You can control your projector via your favorite Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant enabled devices, or through commands via IFTTT. Finally, it uses a rechargeable Bluetooth remote control, which is included as an added convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.